Greetings, Shuprabhat, good morning, welcome all of you. Today I've come to tell you that NISM has made its announcement for call for papers for the third annual International Capital Markets Conference. Yeah, this time it is international. We have tied up with the Systemic Risk Center of the London School of Economics and they are collaborating with us for this conference. We would like to give you some details about the theme, the sub theme, which you are supposed to write your papers and submit to the conference. So, the broad theme is the role of capital markets for sustainability and growth of the economy. Under this broad theme, we have put together a few sub themes. The first of them is sustainable capital markets and investments. I think this is very important to see that investments flow into the right areas that support sustainability and growth. The second one is linkages between financial markets and the real economy, which is again, do financial markets reflect the real economy? Are the contributors to GDP getting captured by the financial markets? We would like you to address these kinds of questions there. The next thing we've put together is on fundraising, valuations, and disclosures. All of you know that last year we've had a range of companies who have tapped the primary market for various resources. So, are these the right companies? Should resources be flowing into them? Are the valuations and disclosures adequate? Is there more to do here? We look forward to your papers. Then we also have had a flow of massive retail investors coming into these markets in the last 2 years. So, what is the contribution of retail investors to the equity markets? What kind of impact this flow is going to have for price discovery? What should the regulators do to protect these large retail investors who have come into the markets? So, these are some questions we would like you to discuss about in the changing profile of investor segment in the Indian market. We've also included on the geopolitical risks and securities market responses. You all know about the Ukraine war, which has come up suddenly. So, what risk does it pose? Can we look at these events that have happened in the past? And can we have papers covering this? We have also put a last sub theme, which is on institutional investors and governance. So, again, we look forward to contributions in all these areas. We want original papers. The criteria for shortlisting, as usual, is going to be that you should stick to these themes. The papers should be original and unpublished. Okay. And of course, we are looking for takeaways and contributions which will be meaningful for the market professionals, for the regulators, and across board the capital markets. So, looking forward to all of you in the conference. And one more good news is we are having a range of high profile speakers who are going to be addressing in this conference. We have Dr. Viralacharya, we have Dr. Ashwath Damodaran, who have agreed to give their wonderful talks here and share with all of you the different areas for research, etc. etc. So, the conference is going to be a wonderful opportunity to network. As usual, we are tying up with journals, and that's going to give you an opportunity to publish. So, hey there, make this a priority, submit your papers, and thank you.